Postman tutorial using raw body with different formats. Postman, body, raw, steps and formats. Steps to use raw body. Open Postman and go to the body tab. Select raw option. Choose the data format on XML, HTML, JavaScript, or text. Enter your code or data in the editor. Click Send to execute the request. Formats explanation: JSON, XML, HTML, JavaScript, plain text. Each format shows different results when you hit Send in Postman. In Postman, under the Body tab, we have the Raw option, which allows us to send different types of data to the server. When you select Raw, you can choose from multiple formats such as JSON, XML, HTML, JavaScript, and plain text. Let's go through them one by one. First, we have JSON. This is the most commonly used format for APIs. Here, we enter the data in key value pairs inside curly brackets. After entering the code and clicking Send, the request is pushed to the server. You can then see the updated changes reflected in the result or response body. Next, we have XML format. It uses opening and closing tags to define data. After writing the XML code and hitting Send, the response shows the output in XML structure. Then comes HTML format. Here, we can enter HTML tags like headings, paragraphs, or text. When we hit the API, we can see the result displayed in HTML form inside the response preview. After that, we have JavaScript format. In this, we can send simple JavaScript code or logic. Once you hit Send, the server shows how it processes or handles that code in the response. Finally, we have plain text format. This is used to send simple text messages or raw data without any structure. When you click Send, the text is sent directly to the server, and the response confirms that it has been received successfully. So, under Body right pointing arrow raw, we can use different formats depending on what type of data our API expects. JSON for structured data, XML for tagged data, HTML for web content, JavaScript. Postman History tab. In Postman, the History tab helps you view all the requests you have made earlier. Every time you hit an API, Postman automatically saves that request in the History section. You can open the History tab from the left sidebar, where you'll see a list of all previous requests, including the method type like GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE, along with the API endpoint. By clicking on any request in the history list, you can instantly reload it, view the headers, parameters, and body, and even rerun the same API without typing it again. This feature is very useful for tracking what APIs you have tested, reviewing old responses, or reusing successful requests during debugging or demonstration. So, the History section in Postman helps you save time, stay organized, and easily access your past API hits. Thank you.